Today, I'll show you how to regrow green onions or scallions from kitchen scraps. First, we want to wash them down. Make sure you wash the ends where the roots are, and that's the white area. Next, get a knife and cut the ends of your scallions or green onions about 1 inch above the roots. That's in the white area, 1 inch above the roots. Then put your excess to the side. Get a pot of soil, and we're going to poke several holes throughout the pot of soil. When we plant them, we want to spread it out because as they grow, they will multiply. Next, we'll get our white ends and we will plant them root first, the root facing down into the soil. Root down into the soil. We want to plant them where the tops are right at the level of the soil. I'll show you what it looks like. Here you can see the tops are right at the level of the soil, and that's where they'll grow from. In about a week or a week and a half, you see our new growth. As they grow full length, you'll cut them at the base, and they'll continue to regrow. Thank you for watching.